Hello everyone. In last session, we discussed how to install code block and write our first program in Turbo C. Okay. In today's session, we discuss input output in C++. Okay. In CPP, iostream is a header file that includes the definition for input and output stream class. Okay, iostream. I stands for input stream and O stands for output stream. Okay, what is stream? Stream means it is a sequence of bytes or it is a sequence of characters. It primarily provides two important objects, that is scene for input and cout for output. It is combines the functionalities of both istream and ostream class. Okay, let's see some key components. Scene. The first one is scene object, an object of type iStream used for reading input from the standard input. Okay, means like keyboard. Okay, it read input from keyboard and transfer data to the main memory. Okay, second one is cout, an object of type ostream used for writing output to the standard output. Okay, usually the console. Data flow from your main memory to output devices like console or screen. Okay. Third, CERR, an object for outputting error message. Okay. And fourth one is clog, an object for logging message. Okay. So let's check cout object in CPP. Cout is an predefined object of the ostream class that is used to output data to the standard output stream, typically the console. Okay, your data flow from main memory to console. It is a part of the CPP standard library and is included in the iostream header file. Okay, syntax: cout, insertion operator, expression, end with semicolon. Okay, components: cout. This is the output stream object. Okay, the std namespace is where it is defined. Cout object is defined under std namespace. You can also use using namespace std. Okay, to avoid prefix std scope resolution operator. Okay, if you are writing your code in Turbo C, then there is no need to include using namespace std. Okay, if you are use modern compiler, then you can use or you can mention using namespace std. Okay, second, insertion operator or double less than operator. This is the insertion operator that sends the data on its right to the output stream on its left. Okay. Third, expression. This can be string literal, a variable, or any expression that can be converted to a string representation. Expression means it can be literal or any variable name or expression. Okay. Let's check some examples. Hash include iostream, that is header file. Okay, then main method, main function. In the body of main function, cout, insertion operator. In double quote, we are mentioning some text, that is @coding with hr. Okay, and end with semicolon. @coding with hr, that text will be displayed on console. Okay, let's check practically. Let's implement this example practically. Okay, so we need to include iostream header file. Okay, hash include in angle bracket io stream dot h iostream angle bracket close. Okay, if you are writing code in turbo c, then you can mention iostream dot h file. Okay, if you are use modern compiler, then there is no need to use dot h extension. Okay, then using namespace std. Okay, because cout, scene, these objects are defined under std namespace. Okay, then main function return type is int main bracket open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Okay, last statement is return last statement is return 0. Okay, so using cout object we are display some text on console. Okay, double less than, double quote and semicolon. Okay, so cout is predefined object. Okay, then double less than, it is also called insertion operator. Then double quotation, you can mention any string within double quote. Okay, and then end with semicolon. Okay, if you are beginner, then try to write code like this, because if you are missing semicolon or any character, okay, then error will occur. Okay, then come inside the double quote and you can mention your any text. Okay, so I am displaying at the rate coding with hr. Okay, at the rate coding with hr, this text will be displayed on console. Okay, save it and run, debug, build and run. Okay, yes, here at the rate coding with hr, text will be displayed on console. Okay, then we are displaying another text. So we want to display another text. Okay, so I am mentioning here cout again, cout object, predefined object, insertion operator, double quote, semicolon. Okay, you can then come inside double quote and write. Okay, I am mentioning C. Okay, let's build and run. Okay, here at the rate coding with HR and C will be displayed after coding with HR. Okay, then I am mentioning another text cout double quote, insertion operator and double quotation, come inside. Now I am mentioning C++. Okay, C++. I am mentioning another language name cout, insertion operator, double quote, semicolon. Okay, Java. Okay, C++ and Java. I am mentioned three language names C++, and Java. Okay, so run, compile and run your code. Okay, here at the rate coding with HR, C++, and Java displayed in one line. Okay, so if you want to display uh, text to the new line, okay, then you can use \n. Okay, \n. Backslash n means up, \n means new line. Okay, text after \n will be displayed to the next line. New line will be your text displayed from new line. Okay, run. Yes, here @coding with HR displayed on first line, and C, C++ and Java, this text will be displayed to new line. Okay, then I want to display C++ on next line after C language. Okay, so I can mention \n here. Okay, compile and run. Yes, C C++ displayed on new line. Okay, \n is called escape sequence. Okay, you can also use end line. Okay, manipulator, string manipulator. Okay, how to use insertion operator and end line, end line, end L. Okay, end L. Let's check, compile and run. Yes, here after C++, Java will be displayed on next line. Okay, \n used for displaying text to the new line, and end L, that is manipulator, string manipulator. It is also used for display text to new line. Okay, if you like today's session, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.